In today's digital age, programming has emerged as a powerful tool, shaping the world around us. From the apps we use to the websites we visit, programming is the driving force behind it all. Learning to program empowers you to become a creator, not just a consumer of technology. It opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to bring your ideas to life and solve problems in innovative ways. Imagine creating your own games, automating tedious tasks, or analyzing data to uncover hidden insights. Programming makes all of this possible, and more. It's like having a superpower that enables you to control and manipulate the digital realm. Whether you're interested in a career in tech or simply want to expand your skill set, learning to program is an investment that will pay dividends for years to come. So why wait? Let's embark on an exciting journey into the world of programming together. Among the vast array of programming languages, Python stands out as an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Its simplicity and readability make it a favorite among those just starting their coding journey. Python's syntax is designed to be intuitive and mirrors the English language, which significantly reduces the learning curve. This readability and simplicity make Python easier to learn and understand compared to other programming languages. You can focus more on solving problems and building projects rather than getting bogged down by complex syntax. Its straightforward syntax resembles plain English, reducing the learning curve and allowing you to focus on the logic of programming rather than getting bogged down in complex syntax rules. This makes Python an excellent stepping stone into the world of coding. Python's popularity has skyrocketed in recent years, making it one of the most widely used programming languages worldwide. Its growth is driven by its versatility and the wide range of applications it supports. Its versatility knows no bounds, with applications ranging from web development and data science to machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python is also used in automation, game development, and even in the Internet of Things, IoT. This widespread adoption ensures a vibrant and supportive community of Python developers, providing ample resources and support to learners of all levels. Online forums, tutorials, and coding boot camps are just a few of the many resources available. Whether you're a complete novice or have some programming experience, Python welcomes you with open arms. Its gentle learning curve and the wealth of learning materials make it accessible to everyone. Its gentle learning curve and vast community make it an ideal language to embark on your coding journey. So dive in and start exploring the endless possibilities that Python has to offer. At its core, coding is the art of giving instructions to a computer. It's a way to communicate with machines, telling them exactly what to do and how to do it. Just like we use language to communicate with each other, we use code to communicate with computers. This language can be understood by the computer to perform specific tasks. These instructions, written in a specific programming language like Python, tell the computer what actions to perform and how to perform them. Each programming language has its own syntax and rules. Coding is like creating a recipe for the computer to follow. Just as a chef follows a recipe to create a dish, a computer follows code to execute tasks. Each line of code is like an instruction in the recipe, telling the computer what ingredients to use, data, and how to combine them, operations. The precision of these instructions is crucial. The computer then follows these instructions step by step, executing each line of code to produce the desired outcome. This process is known as running or executing the code. The importance of coding lies in its ability to translate our ideas into reality. It allows us to bring our creative concepts to life through software and applications. By writing code, we can create software, automate tasks, analyze data, and much more. Coding opens up a world of possibilities for innovation and efficiency. Coding empowers us to harness the power of computers and use them as tools to solve problems, create value, and shape the world around us. It's a skill that can transform industries and drive progress in countless fields. Python works by interpreting and executing code line by line. When you write a Python program, you are essentially creating a set of instructions that the Python interpreter can understand and execute. The interpreter acts as a translator between your code and the computer's hardware, converting your instructions into a language the computer can understand. Python's syntax is designed to be simple and intuitive. For example, to print something to the console, you would use the function. For instance, the code would display the text, "Hello, world" on the console. Python also provides a wide range of built-in functions for common tasks, such as mathematical operations, string manipulation, and file handling. In addition to its basic syntax, Python supports various programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. This flexibility allows you to choose the programming style that best suits your needs and project requirements. Section 5. Python in action. Let's see some simple examples of Python code to illustrate how it works in practice. Example 1. Adding two numbers. The code snippet first assigns the values 10 and 5 to the variables and, respectively. Then it calculates their sum and stores it in the variable. Finally, it uses the function to display the value of, which is 15, on the console. Example 2. Greeting the user. In this example, the code first prompts the user to enter their name using the function. The entered name is then stored in the variable. Finally, it greets the user with a personalized message using the function. These simple examples demonstrate the basic syntax and functionality of Python. As you delve deeper into the language, you'll encounter more complex concepts and techniques, but the fundamental principles remain the same. Section 6. Deciphering the code. Understanding how coding works in a general sense is like understanding the language of computers. It's a way to communicate with machines, instructing them to perform specific tasks. Just like we use words and sentences to communicate, computers use code to process information and perform tasks. This code can be written in various programming languages, each with its own syntax and rules. Code acts as a set of instructions that tell the computer what to do and how to do it. These instructions need to be precise and clear to avoid errors. Imagine you have a robot that you want to program to make a sandwich. This robot can only follow the instructions you provide. You would need to provide it with a series of instructions, such as take a slice of bread, spread butter on it, and ensure each step is followed in the correct order. Add a slice of cheese, and so on. Each step must be detailed to avoid any confusion. Each instruction would correspond to a line of code in a programming language. These lines of code are the building blocks of any software application. The computer, like the robot, follows these instructions, step by step, executing each line of code in sequence. Debugging ensures that the code runs smoothly without errors. It uses its processing power to interpret the code, perform calculations, manipulate data, and produce the desired outcome. This process is what makes computers incredibly powerful tools. In essence, coding is the process of breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable instructions that the computer can understand and execute. This systematic approach is fundamental to solving problems efficiently. Section 7. Getting started with Python. Now that you have a basic understanding of Python and how coding works, you're ready to embark on your coding journey. To get started with Python, you'll need to set up a programming environment on your computer. This involves installing Python and a text editor or integrated development environment, often called an IDE. Fortunately, Python is freely available for download from the official Python website. Once you have Python installed, you can choose from a variety of text editors and IDEs, such as Visual Studio Code, Atom, or Idle, which comes bundled with Python. There are countless online resources available to help you learn Python, including tutorials, documentation, and online courses. Some popular platforms for learning Python include Codecademy, Khan Academy, and Coursera. Additionally, there are numerous books and online communities dedicated to Python, providing ample support and guidance to learners of all levels. Section 8. The Python Landscape. As you progress in your Python journey, you'll encounter a rich and diverse landscape of libraries, frameworks, and tools. Libraries are collections of pre-written code modules that provide ready-made solutions for common programming tasks, saving you time and effort. Frameworks, on the other hand, provide a structure and foundation for building applications, guiding you through the development process. Python boasts a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks catering to various domains. For web development, you have frameworks like Django and Flask. For data science, you have libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Scikit-learn. And for machine learning, you have libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Exploring these libraries and frameworks will broaden your programming horizons and equip you with the tools to tackle a wide range of projects. Remember, the Python community is vast and supportive, so don't hesitate to seek help and guidance from fellow developers. Section 9. Embracing the coding journey. Learning to code is a journey of continuous learning and exploration. It's a skill that takes time, patience, and persistence to master, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Coding empowers you to think creatively, solve problems logically, and bring your ideas to life. So embrace the coding journey with enthusiasm and curiosity. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The more you code, the more confident and proficient you'll become. And who knows? You might just discover a hidden passion for programming that ignites a lifelong love of learning and creation. Keep coding, keep exploring, and never stop learning.